Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, Biomed Inc. A.D.V.B. just filed a Form 8K reporting a significant change in leadership and a strategic pivot, and I'm seeing a big question mark about their future direction. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. This filing reveals a bold move into artificial intelligence, but the departure of their longtime CEO alongside this new direction raises some eyebrows. So what is going on at Biomed Inc? A.D.V.B. A.D.V.B. is a company that has been in the healthcare and diagnostic space, but they are now making a hard pivot. They are moving away from their life sciences focus and jumping headfirst into artificial intelligence development. This is a massive change and it is happening all at once. The biggest news here is the leadership change. Their Chief Executive Officer, Director and Chairman of the Board, Mr. Yi Lu, is stepping down. It is important to note that this isn't a resignation or a firing. It is described as a mutual agreement to transition leadership, especially because of this strategic shift. Think of it as a planned separation to bring in new blood for the new era. In connection with this mutual separation, Mr. Lu is receiving 39,999 shares of the company's common stock as severance. That is a nice payout for him as he exits. Now, who is stepping into these big shoes? The board of directors, on the recommendation of their nominating and corporate governance committee, has appointed Mr. Xiaomin Chen as the new Chief Executive Officer, Director and Chairman of the Board. This appointment is effective the 28th of April 2026. This move signals their seriousness about the AI pivot, as Mr. Chen comes with extensive experience in artificial intelligence. Mr. Chen has a solid background. He has been the CEO of Ascent Technologies Hong Kong company, limited since 2019, where he's been working on financial, domain large language models and AI verification systems. Before that, he was the Chief Technology Officer at Shanghai Dianxi Network Technology Company, limited building AI platforms, and even had a stint at Google Inc. as a software engineer on their core search and AI team. He holds a PhD in computer science from Rutgers University. This is clearly the kind of expertise they want to drive their new AI-focused future. Now, here is where things get interesting and tie back to an earlier filing. Biomed Inc. A.D.V.B. recently acquired Ascent Technologies, Hong Kong Company Limited. This acquisition was for 100% of the equity in Ascent Technologies, and as part of that deal, they issued 270,000 shares of their common stock. Who received those shares? Mr. Xiaomin Chen, who is the sole shareholder and seller of Ascent Technologies. So, not only is Mr. Chen now leading Biomed Inc. A.D.V.B., but he was also a key party in the deal that likely paved the way for this strategic shift and his leadership. This means he has a direct material interest in the transaction, which is disclosed here. As for compensation, Mr. Chen will be receiving $12,000 per month as his base salary. For his departure as CEO, Director and Chairman, Mr. Yi Lu will receive 39,999 shares of the company's stock. The filing also lists the exhibits, including the termination agreement between Biomed Inc. A.D.V.B. and Yi Lu, and the employment agreement with Xiaomin Chen. These documents would contain the fine print of their arrangements, but are not included in this filing itself. And finally, the report is signed by Mr. Xiaomin Chen himself, as the new Chief Executive Officer, Director and Chairman of the Board, dated May 1, 2026. So, what does this all mean? Biomed Inc. A.D.V.B. is clearly pivoting hard into the AI space, bringing in a seasoned AI executive to lead the charge. The acquisition of Ascent Technologies and the appointment of its CEO, Mr. Chen, as the new leader of Biomed Inc. A.D.V.B. are bold moves. However, the simultaneous departure of the previous CEO, Mr. Lu, and the company's history suggests a need for caution. Historically, companies making such drastic strategic pivots, especially from healthcare to technology, often face significant challenges. It is a completely different business model and market. For instance, many companies that attempt a rapid transformation without a solid foundation or clear market traction can struggle. A comparable might be seen in companies that have tried to reinvent themselves overnight and found the reality much tougher than anticipated, often leading to significant stock price declines or even delisting. While this isn't a reverse split situation yet, the sheer scale of the strategic change and the leadership handover is notable. The key risk I am watching is whether this pivot is genuinely driven by a deep understanding of the AI market and a viable business plan, or if it is more of a Hail Mary pass. The fact that the new CEO was also the seller of the acquired AI company raises questions about whether this was a pre-planned strategic move or a more opportunistic one. The market will be watching closely to see if Biomed Inc. A.D.V.B can successfully execute this new vision, and if the promised AI development can translate into real revenue and value. What I am actually looking for is a clear roadmap and initial traction in their new AI venture. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.